First cook on the ugly drum smoker. Gonna make a couple of whole chickens. Got them spatchcocked and seasoned with some rub. All right. Gonna go out there, throw them on. Got the, as you can see on my remote thermometer, pit's around 260, so a little warm. I just choked it down a little bit. I'm gonna go out and throw it all on now. All right, got the 2 chickens on, drip pan underneath. Let's see what happens. My first cook. Wish me luck, guys. Alright, folks, I got the chicken on. My wife picked them up, two whole chickens from the butcher, and he actually spatchcocked them for me, so that was pretty cool. Didn't have to make too much of a mess in the house. But I've got the cook has been going since, I guess, a little after 3 o'clock, so it's been a little over an hour, and I had to run out really quick while I was waiting for it to heat up. And I came home, it was, it was up to around a little over 270. So it is a little breezy today, so I don't know if that's causing it to, maybe temperature to rise. So I just backed down on everything, and I got it down. It's around, I don't know, it's holding around 265 right now. But I'll let it go for the next, next maybe 20 minutes or so, and see if I have to choke it down a little more. I will, with the vents on the bottom. Of course I got the vents on the top, the circle vent on the top, but chicken's on. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see against my white fence, but got a nice blue smoke coming up. Got like 3 chunks of hickory on there. So let's see what happens. I'll keep you posted as we go with results of the first cook. Thank you. Alright, folks. This is about an hour and 10 minutes in to the cook. Chickens are looking nice. I'm going to let them go. I just got the meat probe in. And see what happens. I'm actually reading, let's see. I'm reading a temperature of 141 on the meat. And well, the what do you call it just went down. The grill temperature just went down because I got the cover open. But I got the meat probe in, and I'm gonna let it keep going. Alright, folks, I had my ThermoPro set for 167 for the internal temperature of the meat, so I'm gonna go check it now. See what we got. Oh, that's looking good. Gonna just check a couple different places in the thigh. Look at the juices coming out of that. Just waiting to see what my temperature is. It's going up. Just about 165. Yep, 165 in the thigh. I'm gonna just check into the breast. See what we got in there. breast is a little cooler. I don't know why. I'm gonna let it go a little longer. Alright folks, ready to pull it off. Took a little longer than I expected. Even though the thigh reached 165, 167, maybe about 40 minutes ago, the breast was only reading about 150. So I kept it in a little bit longer, and I'm ready to pull these off. I'm going to bring them inside, and then we'll slice them up for dinner. The weather here got crappy. I mean, I put these on about, I don't know, about 4:40, and it's about 8:30 now, so it took about 4 hours. I don't know, my first time cooking, so I don't know if it's normal. I'm looking down below, and the looks like there's plenty of coals left, even after a 4-hour cook. So I'm going to shut this all down and be back a little bit. Alright, YouTube. I got the chicken all sliced, taken apart. So I got some smoked barbecue chicken, some buttered noodles, and some fresh sauteed asparagus. I just want you, I don't know if you could see, if I press down on this, the juice that's coming out of this chicken. I mean, it is so tender and juicy. Look at that juice running. Alright, there we have it. I had to try a piece of the breast, and it was delicious. Not dry, perfectly cooked. I don't know if it's because it was spatchcocked, that because the breast was thicker. I originally started with the probe in the thigh, and like I said, I went out there and I spot checked it with my instant read Weber thermometer, and it was only reading about 150, 151 in the breast. So I was like, you know what? I left it on for about another 45 minutes till I hit about 167. And then I took it off and let it rest for about 10 minutes, and I'm ready to eat. So there it is, my first cook on my UDS, which again, I don't think it's so ugly, and I think it did a fine job. I got it shut down now, and I'm going to see how long it takes the temperature to go down till you know, the coals actually burn out, and I'll see tomorrow how much you know, how much charcoal I have left in the basket. Looked like I had quite a few, you know, quite a bit left. But again, it's dark out there now, so. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. It's time to eat.